Hi friends, today I will show you some flowers. You have to say along with me. What is this? You have to identify along with me, friends. What is this plant? Rose plant. Second one, look at the picture and identify this picture. This one is lotus. Third one, marigold, banti puvu. Next fourth one, sunflower. Fifth one is tulip. What is this? Tulip. Daisy plant. What is this plant? Look carefully. Daisy plant. This one is jasmine. Mallepuvu. This one is orchid. Orchid plant. Next, this one, hibiscus plant. This one, dahlia. Dahlia. This one, gerbera. Gerbera. Okay, look carefully. Rose. What are the flowers names? Tell any 5 flowers names. Rose, lotus, marigold, sunflower, tulip. Here 5 more flowers are there. First one, daisy, jasmine, orchid, hibiscus, dahlia, gerbera and lily. These are the names of flowers with their plants. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.